So this is the user's pointer right there. I'm going to observe the user via fly on the wall and be the little wizard behind the door. All right.
This is for looking for a classmate.
Give me a moment. There it is.
Status.
I forgot to notify the user that certain aspects might not be available since they were not made.
Let's get to the 120.
So right now the cart is not available and class description is not available.
Let's change this.
Right.
Oh, no.
Alright then, I believe I have the data I need.
Okay, let's check out my enrollment. Okay, looks like it's got a new welcome page. It's pretty nice. I like this whole kind of scheduling thing over here. I'm wondering if drop classes and add classes should be in the same column though. I feel like that would make a little bit more sense. I'm wondering here if I click on this hyperlink, will it where will it take me? Will it take me to my specific academic advisor, or just kind of like a generic page that'll I don't really know. But yeah, looks pretty good. Let's go class search. Okay. So it looks like pretty much the same over here, but I'm wondering what this new thing on the side is. Maybe it's shows me well, it says requirements, so maybe it shows me what courses I still need to take, lower division, upper division. Let's check out upper division. Okay, so it shows me I have 3 upper divs still left to take. That's pretty helpful. I'm wondering if I can click on them from here and it'll take me to instead of going through class search, if I can just click on them here and it'll take me to the enrollment page. And I'm also wondering if does this show me the classes that are offered in the next quarter, or just all the classes that I still have left to take? Because if I could just click on them from here and enroll in them for the next quarter, that would be pretty helpful. Maybe they could add a color code, blue is offered next quarter and green is just not offered next quarter.
Hello, thank you for agreeing to go through this low fidelity prototype of a flowchart for the UCSC registration page. Please start at the beginning and navigate your way through this. Hopefully it's a little bit simpler than what we already have. And these big boxes are going to be the new features that we've included in this prototype. You can start at the top.
Okay, so I see that you log on to My UCSC, and then you have easy options. My Academics Enrollment, My Account. Under My Account, you can see all your financial stuff. That sounds great and easy to see. Under Enrollment, you can go to the welcome screen, contact your advisor. This all seems really easy to follow and find. It's laid out nicely. You search for classes, add, see your class schedule. That all sounds nice and easy to locate. Under here, My Academics, you can see all your classes for your major, or you can see all the general ed requirement classes. So that seems nice and straightforward, easy to find, easy to figure out what you're doing. Under the welcome screen, class schedule, current schedule, you have the opportunity to just go right here to change your classes if you're not finding what you want. Drop, edit, swap your classes. That seems logical. And then priorities and dates. Under priorities and dates, you can have an interactable scheduler that will enroll in classes that are your top priorities. So that way you can make sure that you get the classes that you need. That sounds logical and easy to find. Over here, we have a recommendations tab. We can see class recommendations based on classes passed, major, and classes offered in the upcoming quarter. Nice, and in a place where you'd expect to find it. So this is a really nice layout. It seems very logical and easy to follow. I think this would be a big improvement.
All right, thank you very much.
Another way we did user testing was with the survey IDEO method. I sent out a link to UCSC students in class discussions, my club group chat, and emails to focus on those who have recently used my UCSC to register in classes. After they took a look at our prototype, I had them answer questions about how they felt about our features. Some questions asked how much they prefer different layouts, while others asked for suggestions on how to improve our current design. The responses we got demonstrated to us which features should be redesigned. We could see that while the majority of answers preferred our layout, it wasn't completely sided with our design choices. For example, the users prefer to have their advisor information in My Academics instead of the enrollment welcome page. When I gave the users the option to give their own suggestions, then I could see how they used the actual My UCSC website as examples for what to keep and what to change. In regards to the prioritization of students' enrollment plans, people who answered with the other option seemed to like having the person with the most credits as the judgment for who gets enrolled first in the occasion that more than one person has the same class plan and enrollment time. Other suggestions asked for certain aspects on the site to be more prominent, like prerequisites and enrollment times. From this, we could see how we could make the class registration site more functional and geared towards what students want.